Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters or trolls, and I will do the scooter video later. I'm very, very tired. I did not go get the pressure cooker. It would have required me to walk 2 miles from the bus, 1 mile each way in the heat. I'm not up to doing that, not after the day I had on Tuesday. And I talked to the manufacturer of the scooter, the place that ordered the scooter. They're going to take it back, and 2 stores that sell the brand name of the scooter, and also County Connection. And I'm going to have to go over to County Connection, talk to someone, and then ask if I can measure their buses to see what the turning radius of a scooter is. I can get a 3-wheel scooter that will support my weight. It's valued at 400 pounds, valued at 500 pounds. I mean, rated at 400, 500 pounds. I only weigh 324, but can I get it on the bus? I don't know. I'm going to try and experiment with the scooter and see if maybe I can go to the post office, because I can go a big tiny one with it, except the one driveway is so steep I had to go into the street and it started to tip over because it's too steep. The one wheel hit it and I panicked, but managed to turn it to the left. And this has warmed me out. I went to Safeway and the woman said, "You didn't pay for potato salad." And I said, "I didn't? No, where's my food stamp card?" It was in my hand. I was so exhausted I didn't even see it in my hand. I was so very embarrassed. So I'm going to see if I can get up Pacheco Boulevard. If I can get up that hill, then I can keep the scooter. It just means I can't take the bus everywhere. And it would mean if I need to go somewhere, I have to do it really early in the morning when it's cool and not when it's 90 degrees. It is 80 in here. Computer, weather for Martinez now.
The current weather is 84 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight's forecast has clear skies, with a low of 57 degrees.
Computer, weather for Martinez tomorrow.
Here's the forecast for tomorrow. Look for lots of sun, with a high of 91 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 59 degrees.
See, I can tool around town, but the problem in Martinez is these hills. There's no way I can get that up on Humber Boulevard. I can go to the Safeway, but I can't go anywhere. All right, here we go. From time to time, I order something for me. And this came yesterday when I was at Safeway. I've already opened them. I said, thank you. I think I'll keep that. Thank my people who donate to me and send me stuff. So we will put this somewhere. And I turned off the Mac. For some reason, it kept turning on by itself, even though I had it on sleep. I'll figure that out. Okay, we have Countdown to Oblivion 2012. We have a copy of UFO Magazine, #1, and UFO Magazine issue 150, #2. Now, I have a bunch of magazines in the storage at Kathy's. I may have some of these, I don't know, but at least they'll give me something to read. #3, this was a lot. And #4, individual magazines like this are selling for $7 to $10 a piece. So, and #5. So there they are. And there's something on the back here. They have all kinds of paranormal gatherings. See, here's a ad for some guy named George Norrie. And here's Quantum Leap 2009 discount early registration for 2012. So they were ahead of themselves. So it'll be nice to read these tonight when and I got a bunch of glass containers, and those were great. And Kathy will get those. I took some. And unfortunately, I got something else. They don't want them. So I'm going to bag them all up and drop them off at Staples. Maybe they can recycle them or something. Got a whole bunch of these. Never opened, never used. But the place that buys printer cartridges doesn't want them. They're free. They're in the box on the curb. So I grabbed them along with Mr. Lion. So there's no lion. There he is. So, all right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and there went something falling. And the lion overturned everything. So I will go through that, and I don't want anything on the printer. No, that is the printer box. Yeah, some of these, the boxes, there's some, about 60 cartridges. And I could have gotten the money for them, it would have been nice. I'm going to try some other sites and see if I can get money for these before I can get rid of them, but you never know. All right, that's it for this one. Have a great day. Stay wet, stay cool, stay dry. It's fluffy on the bed. Let's see, fluffy. He's sound asleep. Lion cannot stir the mighty Fluffy. So, all right. I haven't had a chance to put the lion somewhere you can see the lion. Have a great day. Stay cool. Stay dry. Stay wet. Stay hydrated. Have an adult beverage. Jump in the pool. Jump in the sauna. Jump in the shower. And stay safe. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now, and thanks for watching. Oh, I forgot. Wait a minute. Hold on. I forgot. What is this? Oh, they did a sneakiness here. They reinstalled Firefox. So let me get back to a slight change in my channel, which is nice. It's a little bit. Go back to the analytics. I now have 1,371,669 views, and ding, ding, ding. Just went up slightly, but it went up. 18,601 subscribers, not paid for. I saw a video. I was trying to look for how long ago the interview was with George Norrie at KSCO in Santa Cruz. And somebody left a comment way back then. You're paying for subscribers. I wasn't paying for them then. I'm not paying for them now. So they were saying that when my videos started appearing on Coast and I had 400 subscribers and jumped to 800. You're paying for them. I didn't have any money then. Where do they think I'm paying for subscribers? That's really stupid. All right, that's it for now. I'll catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.